because that LED display of the Ranger LED screen is very impressive. The Intel Ranger LED screen reaches more than 500 square meters, and you can see the stage Ranger LED screen. We set 2 energy to assistant in the past. The stage performance was constructed and installed using our P3.91 1000C6 Ranger LED display. Okay, it has a convenient quick lock design and supports curved installation. And the cabinet is made of durable die-cast aluminum, and all screws and quick lock design are made of stainless steel. Okay, anti-over or robustness and durability. And it supports IP65 water and dust resistance. And it can resist harsh weather conditions in outdoor activities. And this product adopts 3840 Hz high refresh rate and high gray, high brightness, and bring the ultimate viewing effect. If you want to know more details about our products, welcome to contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.